I need you to hold my camera. Cover it with your hand. Make sure you point it to the rear. It's funny here, guys.
So like you said, standard AAR cab.
Yeah, pretty small.
Where's the reverser? I don't see it anywhere. Straight above you. There's one that you can sit down, sitting on the shelf. That's the throttle. This is the reverser? No. What's the brake? You gotta insert it like that. Other way. Nope. Nope.
No, like you hit.
Like a key.
Like a key,
There you go. Push it in. Don't have it in all the way. There you go. So forward. Reverse.
You can hear it go.
Yeah, it's got the air. Still got a lot of the air electronics.
Right.
It still has the air-powered reverser drum in there.
Wow. That's the first for you.
Yeah.
Well, a first for him too, actually. Being in the cab of a locomotive, yeah.
Yeah, I've never been in one before. We're all volunteers,
Right.
operating railroad museum. These are the displays in the museum, so I love having people up here.
Right. I greatly appreciate it. There's the brake, reverser, throttle.
So this engine, we try not to have new engineers run this particular engine at first,
Right.
because it's so easy to run.
I think it's all difficult
Because
to run.
it's got the modern AAR control, you know, it's a lot more powerful than some of the other switches. It tends to be easier to run. You know, it's the only one we've got that's got 26 brake. Everything else still has 6.
What other locomotives do y'all have?
So we have an Alco S1.
Ooh.
We have a GE 44-ton center cab.
Wow.
And we have an operating Lyman Hamilton 750 horsepower.
Oh, dang.
Why are there 2 Sanders? 2 what? Sanders. So this one is just the light. So if the light were on, you know, that's just the display light for it. And the one above it's your wheel slip light.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
So this has
wheel slip.
part of their part
And
of their
this right here is
rebuild.
the horn.
Part of their rebuild program is if it detects wheel slip, it cuts traction power, it automatically drops your electric, and it automatically starts the sander.
Gotcha.
Yep. Don't mind. Here, go for it. So medium, and it'll go one more click. Now you got bright forward.
I gotta go out there and look at it. We're on. Here, come out here and get it. Alright. I don't like getting wet though.
That's another thing.
Thanks, Alex. Yeah.
We're going to have you a good video.
Oh yeah, if I get a couple hundred
this
views.
one sanded all of your axles. Yeah. This one would sand just your lead truck.
He's got a YouTube channel.
Does he?
Yeah.
And we've seen,
that's
of course,
his
this one is part of being, you know, a modern CP1. It is equipped with ditch lights.
Right.
What?
And I guess, do they wag when you blow the horn, or are they just constant?
They're just constant.
Because I know NS and CSX, when they blow the horn, they're
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
flash.
No, these are just constant on.
Excuse me real quick, cuz.
Yeah.
Just for my viewers, I'm gonna do this for them.
That's your speedometer, I guess.
Yep. And above it is cruise control.
Cruise control.
Well, this engine worked in the Midwest
Right,
and
okay.
worked a lot loading and unloading grain elevators.
Can I push the bell?
So, yeah, of course. Pull it.
Maybe I'll just stick my hand out. Feels like a train sim.
So they would get it set up, and then they would set their cruise control to whatever speed the elevator would load, 2 or 3 miles an hour, and it would automatically control. You would set this into like third notch or fourth notch, whatever max power you need, and then it would automatically regulate your amperage to keep you in that speed for loading and unloading all the time.
Kind of like, well, I guess it would be the same situation if you had coal cars behind you where you pull in to the loader, you put it at speed step 1, or notch 1, and it just barely go through, and as the cars go through the chute would open up and fill your cars.
Yep, that's exactly what they'd use that for. It's just mostly in the Midwest. It was great.
Right.
where the stand would have been equipped with dynamic brakes, but the engine never had it. This is a stand from whatever engine that they had laying around that drives through in here.
Yeah. I'm not really a fan of high-lows very much because you can't really see out of the front window.
And the nose is still equipped with the bathroom for MU cables are down there.
Wow. I guess you get access from right there?
Yep.
Wow.
We don't use it for
That's a little door.
To shut this engine off, but I have to flip the switch to stop and then
Yes.
shut the engine stop.
So there's two ways to do it.
Yeah.
You would have your normal stop, which is to move it to your stop switch, hold this down about 15 seconds for the engine to stop. You have to keep holding it until it's completely dead because it's a diesel. If you let go of it, the governor will keep it back open and you'll start right back up. Even if it's got just enough compression to fire at least one of the cylinders, it'll be enough to kick it back up. So you have to hold it till it's completely run down. The other way is to, if you notice you can pull that throttle out like that.
Yeah.
You can actually run it up onto this stop, and that'll stop. But that's the emergency stop. The difference being is if you move this one here and stop it, it kills just this engine. If you do that with this one, if you have it in you into anything, it's going to shut every engine down. That's your emergency stop.
So to start this thing up, I'd have to go out the back door, open up one of the hatches, and then...
Yeah, you've got your lay shaft out there, that's your governor, you've got your fuel prime, your start switch. Here's where you got all your fuses, your big starting fuse. Wow, starting motor fuse. Hey Dad, can you put the camera in there? Oh, here, no. Oh, okay. Fine, I'll just shoot the spots. Sorry about this. It's alright. Fuse. Yeah. Trying to move so the lights can shine in.
Use my flashlight?
Go for it. The light bulb that used to be there. Oh, yeah.
We can't just replace it.
We can. All your relays.
That's a lot of wires. What's that?
There you go. If you can get in the Koopa.
Alright, that'd be
You
good.
just have to fight whoever else has got tickets. Battle Royale.
Battle Royale.
Well, I guess it's sort of.
Alright, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for riding.
Thank you very much for letting us come up here.
Nice looking engine. I actually chased, you know, 2716, the chest taking on how I chased that.
Good.
I got some good photos on that
I had a
one.
lot of friends who watched it.